All right, to set this, obviously the toe kick first. Because of the size of the toe kick, you'll have to screw them together, center it up on the wall, make it perfectly level. The toe kicks are really critical that they're perfect. Um, After the toe kick is set, start putting these base cabinets on. What I would do is just find center of the toe kick and set the cabinet left, cabinet right on the center line and just build out to the left. You should end up with 1.5 inches from the left side of the cabinet and this cabinet, 1.5 inches off the wall. Well, 3 inches because of the rock. So set these on center line or on the seam of the toe kick. Put your decking down. That needs to be flush with the front of the cabinet case. Put the rough top trim on, glue it and pin it. Before you put the rough top trim on the edge of this, which is the decking, make sure the bottom of the doors are flush with the bottom of the cabinet. 1/8 inch in between, and then when you put the trim on, you should have an 1/8 inch seam. So get everything adjusted first. Then that 3/4 inch decking of the plywood on top, the rough top trim, and then that big wood top needs to go on. Because the rock, you don't need to scribe it. Just set it on there and then run screws from the underside. You have to take the drawers off, run screws from the underside into the decking. So you're going through 2 layers at 3/4 inch. We'll typically use a 2-inch screw on top of this cabinet and this cabinet. You could run screws through because it's going to be covered up. So after that, is the wood top is on. I would set this guy, get it centered, and just don't slide it around. You're going to have to kind of hover it over, set it down, get it in position. And these are built to where it's 1, 2, 3 cabinets, but when they're installed, it looks like one cabinet, because on these cabinets, I believe there's no stile. It attaches right here. The face frames attach. Set this one first, make it centered. Set either of these, and then set your outsides. Filler pieces, adjust your doors, and then that big piece of soffit across the top. That would be put on last.